Good morning children. Today we'll learn division of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, see for example here divide 415 by 12. Here 12 is your divisor and 415 is your dividend, and 415 the bigger number you need to keep inside in the dividend place, and 12 you have to smaller number you have to keep it as divisor. Okay, now here 12 is bigger than this 4. See the first number in the dividend place children, it is a 4, and this 4 is smaller than this 12. So what we have to do, if this number is smaller, then two numbers at a time we have to take. Yes, now we'll take 41 together and we'll check that in 12 table 41 is there or no. In 12 table 41 is not there, and the number lesser than that is there. The number lesser than that and nearer to is 36. That is 12 3s are 36. Okay. After taking 36, writing 36, subtract the number. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Use the borrow method. Cancel the number. Take 1 from this 4 and write this 1 less, that is 3, and this 1 will become 11 now. Now 11 minus 6 is 5 and 3 minus 3 will become 0 here. Okay. Now we have finished with the division of this 41. Now which number remained? Only 5. That 5 we need to take here down in the next step. Okay. Now check. Now it is a 55 and in 12 table 55 is not there. Lesser than that and nearer to that is 48. That is 12 4s are 48. After writing this, subtract the numbers. 5 minus 8 is not possible. Use the borrow method, make it 15, and the previous number 1 less, that is 5 minus 1 will become 4. 15 minus 8 will now 7, then 4 minus 4 is 0. So your dividend is 415 and your divisor is 12 and your quotient or the answer is 34 and the remainder is 7 now. Okay. We'll see the exercises now. Before that, we need to check whether we have solved the correct one or no. There is one formula to check the division answers. Let's see which is that formula. The formula is this one. How to verify whether we have solved correctly or wrong, the sum is correct or wrong, by using this formula, and the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, your dividend is your 415 now. Your dividend is 415. Keep the dividend in dividend place here, the number in the dividend place, and the divisor number in the divisor place multiplied by your quotient, that is your answer 34 here, and multiply these two numbers first and get the answer, and you need to add that with the remainder, whatever remainder has remained after dividing the numbers. That is here now the remainder is 7. That 7 you need to add to this number. See, now here dividend is 415, your divisor is 12 and your quotient is 34 plus your remainder is 7 here. Now divisor and quotient is, we need to multiply. Divisor and quotient we need to multiply. 12 multiplied by 34 we have to do, and after multiplying 12 into 34 like this we need to multiply. The bigger number keep up and the smaller here, and use multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number, follow and get the answer, and after multiplying you will get the answer 408. To this number we need to add the remainder. Remainder is 7 here, is 408 plus 7 is equal to 415. So here also 415 is there. Yes, in the dividend place 415 is here, 15 is there, your dividend is 415 here. So now here also 415 and you got the answer as 415. So here right hand side is equal to your left hand side. So this answer is correct. This is your equal sign. Yes. And this is your LHS side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is also 415. So RHS. This side is LHS and this one is the RHS. RHS means right hand side LHS means left hand side. Okay, now we'll see the exercise. Solve the following, verify your answer. After solving the problem, we need to verify the answer by using this formula. You need to by heart this formula. You need to remember this formula. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus your remainder. Okay, let's solve the A1 here. 979 divided by 19 we have to do here. Here 19 is bigger than this 9, so what we have to do, we have to take the both the numbers, these two numbers together at a time. Okay, now before solving the sum, write the 19 table so that you will come to know whether the numbers are there in this table or no, and which is the nearer and the smaller number to that number. Okay, better write the tables and keep ready first. Okay, I'm going to write the table of 19 here. See, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, then 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171, and 19 tens are 190. Okay, now see here, 97 is not there in the 19 table, so smaller than that and nearer to that is your 95. Is this 95? That is 19 fives are 95. Write the 95 here and then subtract the numbers here. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 9 minus 9 is 0. Then we have done with the division of this 97, and the remaining number is, last one is this 9. This 9 you are going to write here down. Now check whether 29 is there or no in the table of 19. It's not there. 19 ones are 19 is there, 19 twos are 38 is there, 38 is more than this 29. So what you have to do, you have to take this 19 ones are 19 only, the smaller number to that. Okay, now subtract the number, give the subtraction signs here so that you will remember that you have to subtract the numbers here. Now 9 minus 9 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer or your remainder is 10. Now your quotient or your answer is, sorry, the remainder is 10 here, and your answer or the quotient is 51, your divisor is 19, and your dividend is 979. Okay, now we have to check whether we have solved the correct sum or no. Yes, by using the formula. What is the formula? The formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus your remainder. Okay, your dividend is here 979. 979 is equal to, your divisor is 19 multiplied by your quotient is 51, your answer, plus remainder. Remainder is 10. Okay, 979 is equal to, now the brackets we need to solve first every time, whether it is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, anything it may be. So now we'll multiply these two numbers here. Okay, that is 19 multiplied by, or 51 multiplied by 19 here. Okay, the bigger number should be written above here. 9 ones is 9, 9 fives are 45. Yes, and in the next step you are going to write here in the ones place 0 or the plus sign, then 1 ones are 1 and 1 fives are 5 here. So 9 as it is, 5 plus 1 is 6, then 4 plus 5 is 9 again. So your answer is 969. 969, and the remaining number is this 10. Give this 10, write this 10 here and then add this 10. Plus 10 is 0 plus 9 is 9, then 6 plus 1 is 7, then 9 as it is. So your answer is 979 is equal to 979. That is your LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, right hand side is equal to your left hand side, and so this answer whatever we got here and the sum whichever we have solved, it is correct one. Okay, and the remaining B, C and D one you are going to solve and you are going to send me. Okay, now see the next exercise. Solve the following, verify your answer. Same, this also in the same way we need to solve. I'll solve this B1. Okay, your dividend is 888 and divisor is 16. We'll write the 16 table first and then we'll start solving it. Okay, write the 16 table here. 16 ones are 16, 16 to the 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 6 are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144 and 16 10s are 160. Okay, now see in 16 table, this 16 is greater than 8 here, so two numbers we are going to take here together. In 16 table 88 is not there and less than that is 80, that is 16 5s are 80 is there. The nearer number and the lesser number we need to take, then subtract the numbers. 8 minus 0 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we have finished with this 88 and the remaining number is now this 8, and this 8 you are going to write here down. Take it here down. Then see in 16 table 88 is not there. Again we have to take the 16 5s are 88 only. Sorry, 80 only. Subtract the numbers. 8 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. So your remainder is 8 here. And your quotient is 55. Now check your answer whether you have solved correctly or wrong by using the formula here. The formula is this one, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient multiplied by remainder. What is your dividend here? 888 is your dividend, is equal to divisor and quotient. Divisor is 16 and your quotient is 55 plus your remainder is 8. Okay, now solve. The bracket we need to solve first, that is 55 multiplied by 16 will do first. 6 5s are 30 here. Then 6 5s are again 30. 30 plus these 3 is 33 plus 1 5s are 5 and 1 5s are 5 again. Add the numbers. 0 as it is. 3 plus 5 is 8. Again 3 plus 5 is 8. That is 888 is equal to 880 plus this 8. We need to add now. 888 is equal to 880 plus 8 is 888. Now we got the same answer both the side. LHS is equal to RHS here. So this answer is correct. Okay, the sum is correct here. Now the remaining sums A, C and D again you will solve and you will send me. Okay, now we'll see the next page. Now we'll see the next topic, that is division of 4-digit number by 2-digit numbers. The division of 4-digit number by 2-digit number is also same, children. Only one step extra you will get here, that is the 1000 place number will increase, so that one step extra you will get here. Okay, this is the first step, this is the second, and the third step you are going to get here. Okay, and after that you will get your remainder and your quotient, that is your answer. Okay, see the example here. Example, they have given 3983 divided by 14. They have given 14, the smaller number you are going to write here as a divisor, and your dividend is 3983. Okay, now start dividing the numbers here. In 14 table 39 is not there. The numbers, these two numbers together we need to take, because here 3 in 1000 place is smaller than this 14, so two numbers at a time together we need to take here. Yes, now write down the 14 table, then start solving the sum here. 14 2s are 28 they have taken, because 39 is not there and smaller number and the nearer number is 14 2s are 28, so they have taken here 14 2s are 28. Subtract the numbers. 9 minus 8 will be 1 and here 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now we have done with the division of this 39, and the next number 8 and 3 remained here. Okay, here we need to take one number at a time. Here the next number is 8, so we need to take this 8 here down and start seeing in 14 table 118 is there or no. 118 is not there, so smaller than that is 112 is there, that is 14 8s are 112 is there. Take 14 8s are 112, then subtract the numbers. 8 minus 2 is 6, 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 1 is 0, then again 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have finished with this 8 also. In the first step we have finished with this 39, and in the next step 8 we have taken and we have divided the numbers, and then last number remained is 3 here. Take this 3 here down now it will become 63. Now check in 14 table 63 is there or no. It is not there, and smaller than that is 14 4s are 63 is there. 14 4s are 56 is there. Take that number, write the number here 56, then subtract the numbers. 3 minus 6 is not possible. Use the borrow method here. Make this 3 as 13 and the previous number 1 less, that is 6 minus 1 will be a 5. So 13 minus 6 is 7 and 5 minus 5 will be 0. So your remainder is 7 now. Your quotient is 284. Your divisor is 14 and the dividend is 3983. Now check whether the sum whichever we have solved it is correct or wrong by using the formula that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus your remainder. See, your dividend is 3983. Keep the dividend and your divisor is 14. Divisor is 14. Dividend is 3983 and multiplied by quotient is 284 plus your remainder is 7. Now multiply this 14 and 284 plus, that is 84 first, that is divisor into quotient, the bracket ones, and after multiplying they got the answer 3976. To this number we need to add your remainder, that is 7, and you will get 3983 is equal to 3983. LHS is equal to RHS. So this sum whatever we have solved it is correct now. Okay. Now we'll see the exercises. See the first one, divide and verify your answer. Divide first and again we need to verify the answers here. Your divisor is 15 and your dividend is 4651. Write on the 15 table so that you will quickly solve the sum here. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 6 are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135 and 15 tens are 150. Now check, this 15 is smaller than this 4, so together both the numbers we have to take here. 15 in 15 table 46 is not there, 45 is there, that is 15 threes are 45 is there. Put the sign and subtract the numbers. Now 6 minus 5 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is your 0. Now the next number you are going to take here down, that is 5 you are going to write here. Now this has become now 15. Take this 15 ones are 15 only. Yes. 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. Take the next number, that is 1 here down. Okay. Now we need to solve this. So in 15 table 1 is not there. So 15 zeros I should take. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So 15 zeros are 0 you take. Subtract the numbers. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we'll check whether this answer, whatever we have got, it is correct or wrong by using the formula here. That is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder. See, the dividend is 4651 is equal to, your divisor is 15, write it in the bracket, and your quotient is 310 plus remainder is 1. Divide the number. 310 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 plus 5 zeros, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. Add the numbers. 5 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4650. See, 4651 is equal to 4650 plus this one. Plus this one, if you add, 4651 is equal to 4651. If you add 1 to this number, you will get 4651. So now both the numbers are same in the left hand side also and in the right hand side also. So LHS is equal to your RHS. So the sum is correct here. Okay. Now the B, C and D one you are going to solve. See the next exercise here. Divide and verify your answers. From this I will solve the C1. Okay. 6208 divided by 12 and the remaining sums, these three sums and these sums you will solve and you are going to send me. I'll solve this C1 now. Solve the sums in your notebook. Write first neatly the question, then solve. C1 is 6208 divided by 12. Keep the bigger number in the dividend place, that is 6208, and your divisor is 12. Now write the 12 table here. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 84, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Okay. Now check in 12 table 62 is there or no. 12 table 62 is not there. 60 is there. 12 fives are 60, which is smaller and nearer to that. So 12 fives are 60 you write down here. Subtract the number. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Take the next number, that is 0 here down. Now it has become 20. And in 12 table 20 is not there. Smaller than that is 12 ones are 12 is there. Subtract the number. 0 minus 2 is not possible. Write it as 12 and the previous number 1 less, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. Then subtract the number. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Take the next number 8 here down. Now it has become 88. And in 12 table 88 is not there. 84 is there, which is smaller and nearer to that. And it is 12 sevens are 84. Subtract the number. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. So your remainder is 4. Your quotient is 517. Divisor is 12 and dividend is 6208. Now check this answer with your formula. That is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus your remainder. Okay. Dividend is 6208 is equal to divisor is 12 and quotient is 517 plus your remainder is 4. Multiply the numbers. 517 multiplied by 12 you have to do. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry over and 4 here down. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 2 fives are 10 plus 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. Add the numbers. 4, this is 10, this is 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6204. 6204 plus 4, 6208. Okay. Now 6208 is your dividend is equal to 6204 plus 4 is 6208. If you add 4 to this, you will get 4 plus 4 is 8. This 0 as it is, 2 as it is, and your 6 as it is. So your answer is 6208. Write this 6208 here. Now this LHS is equal to RHS. So the sum is correct. Okay. Now the remaining sums, the practice sums, quick till sums, and the sums from this main question number 2, A, B and D1 you will solve and you are going to send me. Okay. Thank you.